dream come true. Never would have dreamed this, but like it's far exceeded my expectations. And I don't know, it's super exciting every day just to see what else we'll work on. So what made me start the business was, I just love working on cars and things. It's always been a hobby. I've never really wanted to do it full time just because you probably lose that passion, if you did it every day. But for me, getting that time in the garage, wrenching on things, that kind of stuff really, lights a fire on me. I really just love the sounds of engines and everything, and making a business around it only made sense. We just really wanted to share that with other people. When I first got into LS engines, I'm like, how do I get more of my friends to do this? And then I'd start driving the truck around and I had the turbo and things on her, and it's like, everybody loved it, and I was like, how do I give them this? Like, how can I help them get started into here? And I think we've done a really great job with that, because we've gotten to help a lot of builds out there, and that really means a lot to us to be a part of everybody's build and to help them have some of that feeling that we have ourselves. I think seeing all the different influencers and things out there that we've had the opportunity to work with lately, it's been really amazing. To hear they appreciate us and all of our products, to help them on their build, like, we absolutely love that. We love that we get to share that with other people and that they get excited about our parts just like we do. Well, when we first started, I never would have guessed we'd have as big a building as we have now, or as cool of toys and all the great equipment, all the amazing team that we have. Who could have envisioned it was gonna get this big? It's hard to say what tomorrow's got in store for us too, because we're still definitely growing a lot, and we're having a great time with it, getting to meet a lot of amazing people. So this has been like, dream come true. Never would have dreamed this, but like it's far exceeded my expectations, and absolutely love coming to work every day and getting to hang out with the guys and work on a bunch of cool new stuff. We've stayed relevant, and just the kind of things that we work on. I've always seen myself as like the average customer. So things I would like to do are things that our customers like to do. So I think we've really hit the nail on the head there. I just love playing with all the cool stuff here, in the cars, and our customers love it too. So I think having that mindset of that our customers and myself think the same about cars. We love the same things, like the Hellcat, like who doesn't love that sound? Like, who doesn't love horsepower and getting their old classic car fixed up with a new modern driveline, getting to go cruise like with your family, like that's the best thing ever. Shoot, dream, future, I'm trying to think like, if you're thinking 5-10 years out from now, I don't even know what that looks like. I love everything the way it is, and just like how amazing it is. We're still pushing forward really hard every day. Man, it's hard to even say. Like, who knows what we got in store for us. Definitely way more cool parts and projects coming up, and getting more of those great ideas from customers and things too that ask for other LS parts. Like, I don't know, it's super exciting every day just to see what else we'll work on each day.
Thanks for checking out our video. If you'd like to see more behind the scenes here at ICT Billet, you can check out our shop tour video here. Make sure that you like and subscribe so that you can check out all of our future content.